Welcome to Dubai, the glittering gem of the Middle East. If you're planning a trip to Dubai and wondering which places to see, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 must-see attractions in Dubai, along with some travel tips and activities to make the most of your visit. First up, the Burj Khalifa. This iconic skyscraper is the tallest building in the world, and it offers stunning views of the city from its observation deck on the 124th floor. To avoid long lines, book your tickets online in advance. And for a truly unforgettable experience, try the At the Top Sky experience, which includes access to the 148th floor and a luxury lounge. Next, the Dubai Mall. This is not just any shopping mall, it's the largest mall in the world, with over 1,200 shops, restaurants, and attractions. To avoid the crowds, visit early in the morning or late at night. And for a unique experience, try the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, where you can see thousands of marine animals up close. Our third stop is Ski Dubai, the first indoor ski resort in the Middle East. This winter wonderland is perfect for snow lovers who want to escape the desert heat. To avoid the crowds, visit early in the morning or late at night. And for a unique experience, try skiing, snowboarding, or tobogganing on the resort's slopes. While you're in Dubai, you can't miss the Burj Al Arab. This is one of the most luxurious hotels in the world, with a distinctive sail-shaped silhouette and stunning views of the Persian Gulf. To get the most out of your visit, consider booking a high tea or dining experience at one of the hotel's world-class restaurants. Last but not least, the Palm Jumeirah. This is the largest artificial island in the world, shaped like a palm tree, and home to some of the most luxurious hotels and resorts in Dubai. To avoid the crowds, visit the beach early in the morning. And for a unique experience, try a dinner cruise around the island, where you can enjoy stunning views of the city skyline. And there you have it, our top 5 must-see attractions in Dubai, along with some travel tips and activities to make the most of your visit. From modern architecture to winter sports, Dubai has something for everyone. So start planning your trip today and get ready to experience the magic of this amazing city. We hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your travel buddies. See you next time!